My name's J-Dub Hanna. I made $10,000 last year selling 3D printed parts, small surf company. And I'm reviewing this sick enclosure for the Bambu Lab A1. This thing is dope. Why get an enclosure in the first place? I work in a garage, I've got H2D, I've got other enclosed printers, but I started on the A1 Mini, upgraded to the A1, finally sold enough products to actually buy a fully enclosed H2D. But for my older printers, they're still great printers. They work excellent. Why get an enclosure? For me, it's to keep dust off. Dirty garage, I have a CNC running, particulate debris coming down, dust, and it can mess up your 3D prints. So I love using a 3D enclosure. I actually fully designed, 3D printed, and CNC'd out my own custom enclosure for my A1 Mini. How to step up your average 3D printer to the next level. Taking this to this. Cool video, I'll link up here or up here. Thing's dope. But recently my A1 Mini tried to forever sleep itself out of commission. So I had a couple companies reach out to me and send me A1 enclosures. I'm editing a full long video where I'm comparing this bad boy by TopCube to the FNATR, the FNATR. This thing is sick though. This one takes the cake. I love it. It feels so clean. It's very Apple-like. Super well designed. Oh. Everything is just so nice. Built-in hygrometer, super cool little dustbin chute that catches your waste. Internal spool holder if you want it. It has a fancy adapter to hold a AMS light on top, or of course you can put an AMS Pro. This thing is sick. It has a built-in light, it has a built-in fan to cool the motherboard down below. Some people are worried about them overheating. I don't think that'd be an issue with the A1 Mini, but with the A1 it might overheat if you didn't have some active cooling. A magnetic doorstop. A vent in the back so you can close it and try to capture ambient heat up the whole chamber. All said and done, if you already have a printer, if you already have an A1 and you want to enclose it, you want to make it a little more quiet, and you want to keep it sort of temperature isolated from opening doors, opening garage doors, or dust isolated, this thing's freaking awesome. Or you could even hook up a vent system to suck out all the air and pump it through an activated charcoal filter. Overall, this thing is amazing. Thank you TopCube for sending this. This is incredible, I love it, and I can't speak enough about it. So TopCube reached out to me. They had seen a few of my other videos and they offered to send me one for free. I retained entire artistic control. No editing on this video. They don't even see it until it's just published. I don't get paid. I don't make any money on this. Overall, love this. I would definitely recommend to a friend.